To connect AMP to TradingView, follow these steps. Create an AMP account. First, sign up for an account with AMP Global. Complete the necessary registration and verification process on their website. Download AMP Trading Platform. AMP uses various platforms for trading, like CQG, Rhythmic, or Sierra Chart. After signing up, download and install the preferred trading platform. Obtain API credentials. AMP doesn't directly integrate to TradingView for trading, but you can connect via a supported trading platform like CQG or Rhythmic. Log into your AMP account and obtain the necessary API credentials. Sign up for TradingView. If you don't already have an account, sign up for TradingView, which offers powerful charting tools for technical analysis. Use a third-party trading bridge. Since AMP doesn't have direct integration with TradingView, you will need to use a third-party trading bridge or service, such as Trading Connector or other services that connect TradingView with platforms like CQG or Rhythmic. Connect AMP to TradingView. Follow the setup instructions provided by the third-party service to link your AMP account with TradingView. Input your API credentials when prompted. Start trading. Once the connection is established, you can use TradingView's charting features to place trades and monitor your AMP account.